Take out the black marker and draw the eating utensils. Draw a rounded rectangle. Draw the lower half of the rectangle. A small circle. Draw something novel on the spoon. Draw the fork on the right. Draw a circular outline. Draw its stem. Triangular fork. And finally a round spoon on the right side. Draw its handle. Draw the circular pattern on the handle of the spoon. Striped pattern. Now the simple pattern is complete. Let's start molding the edges. It's done, it's great. Now let's get some color. Orange. Green. Pink. Blue. Yellow. Orange. Bright yellow. Light purple. Rose. Bright yellow. Green. Our work is finished. It's very beautiful. Thank you for watching. See you next time.